In this video, we're going to set the contrast control using the correct test pattern. The contrast control sets the white level, or the brightest part of the image. It needs to be set correctly so that you can see the fine details in the bright areas of the picture, and this can't be judged by eye alone. We need to use a test pattern called a white pluge. In the first video of step 3, we told you where you can get a set of test patterns, and you'll need that now. Since it's most widely available, we're going to use the white pluge pattern from the THX optimizer, found on most THX certified DVDs and Blu-rays. But all video white pluge patterns work the same way. They all have several areas containing slightly different shades of white and have different levels of brightness. The brightest area is called reference white. On most TVs, when you turn up the contrast control, you will see the various white areas merged together with reference white as they all become the same brightness. If you were watching movies like this, you would not be able to see details in the brightest areas of the picture. Now, as you carefully turn down the contrast control, we want to be able to distinguish between all the different areas of white. Once we can see them all individually, we've set the contrast control correctly using the test pattern. If you turn up the contrast control on your TV and are still able to see all the shades of white in the boxes, look to see if there is a colour tinge to the brightest whites. They may have a very slight red, green or blue tinge to them. If you can see a trace of colour in the whites, carefully turn the contrast control down until it disappears. We've now set the contrast control for your TV and room conditions. In the next video, we show you how to set the colour control. You can find out more about sourcing test patterns and the controls available on your TV at the Picture Perfect website. You can also ask direct questions in the Picture Perfect forums at AV Forums.